Islam Iran untuk menindaklanjuti berbagai kesepakatan yang telah diraih dalam pertemuan hari ini maupun hasil-hasil yang ini akan merupakan kunjungan yang bisa membawa tindak lanjutan bagi kesepakatan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Terima kasih Yang Mulia Presiden Republik Iran, Dr. Hasan Rouhani. Saya sangat senang dapat memenuhi undangan Yang Mulia Presiden Rouhani untuk berkunjung ke Iran. Dan saya yakin kunjungan saya kali ini akan membuka era baru, membuka hubungan yang jauh lebih baik antara Indonesia dan Iran.
His Excellency, President Rouhani, I would like to thank you. I'm so delighted that I could respond to your invitation. Hopefully this visit will open a new chapter in relations between the two countries in a better and more positive direction.
Dalam pertemuan tadi, kita membahas berbagai penguatan kerjasama, terutama di bidang ekonomi, dan salah satu fokus yang disepakati dalam pertemuan adalah penguatan kerjasama di bidang energi dan migas.
In our meetings, we discussed various issues regarding cementing and boosting of relations between the two countries, especially on the economic front, with the topic of cooperation on energy.
Bidang kerjasama migas yang dibahas antara lain pembelian LPG dari Iran ke Indonesia untuk tahun 2017 sebesar kurang lebih 500.000 metrik ton. Dan dengan kerjasama pembelian LPG ini maka efisiensi harga akan bisa dilakukan.
Now, one of the agreements made in oil and gas is the purchase of more than 500,000 metric tons of LPG by Indonesia. This kind of cooperation, in terms of price and in terms of the economicality of this, will be really effective.
Yang kedua, mengenai rencana investasi pembangunan kilang minyak refinery di Jawa Timur oleh Iran.
Well, another thing that we discussed was the issue of a plan for investment in order to have a power plant by Iran in Eastern Java.
Mobile power plant oleh Iran di Indonesia sebesar kurang lebih 5.000 megawatt.
Another topic was the construction of power plants and also raising the capacity of power generation by the Iranian side up to 5,000 megawatts.
Dan juga keinginan Indonesia untuk melakukan kerjasama pengelolaan dua ladang minyak yang berada di Taimura dan di Mansuri oleh Pertamina.
We also discussed participation of the state company of Indonesia, Pertamina Oil Company, in boosting the capacity of Taimur and Mansuri oil fields in the Islamic Republic of Iran.
Saya senang bahwa dalam kunjungan kali ini saya disertai dengan 60 CEO dan pengusaha dari Indonesia yang bergerak di berbagai bidang, dan mereka akan bertemu dengan CEO counterpart, mitra, dan melakukan pertemuan bisnis bagi peningkatan kerjasama perdagangan antara Iran dan Indonesia.
I'm so pleased to declare that in today's visit, 60 of the ranking directors and executives of the private sector in various industries are accompanying me, and today they will be meeting with the Iranian opposite numbers in the Islamic Republic of Iran, and definitely this kind of interaction will boost the volume of commercial and economic exchanges between the two
Dalam
countries.
pertemuan tadi juga dibahas mengenai situasi dunia saat ini, dan Indonesia kembali menekankan pentingnya pendekatan dialog secara damai dalam menyelesaikan berbagai konflik di kawasan, baik di Timur Tengah, yaitu di Suriah, di Yaman, dan juga di Myanmar. Dan Indonesia ingin terus melanjutkan peran aktif untuk perdamaian dan kesejahteraan dunia.
Well, we also touched upon the international and regional developments. Indonesia has always highlighted dialogue with peaceful purposes and announced that the only way to come up with a solution is actually to crises in the Middle East and elsewhere in the world are actually peaceful approaches in various countries like Syria, Yemen, and Myanmar. And Indonesia has announced that it is still stresses active role and peace-seeking role in this connection.
Sekali lagi terima kasih atas penerimaan yang sangat hangat dan bersahabat dalam kunjungan kali ini. Terima kasih.
One more time, I would like to take this opportunity and offer gratitude for the warm hospitality and welcome.
Well, live from the Iranian capital, Tehran, Iranian President Hassan Rouhani and visiting Indonesian President Joko Widodo holding a joint press conference there. Iranian President Hassan Rouhani opened proceedings stating that Iranian and Indonesian ties are very important and the ties between the two countries will benefit the Islamic world as well. Economic agreements will boost relations between the two countries when they are finalized, and that boosting cultural ties via Iran-Indonesia Scholars Committee is also on the agenda of expanding developments between the two countries. The Indonesian president, for his part, stated that this visit will open a new chapter in ties between Iran and Indonesia. Widodo also said that Jakarta is to purchase 500,000 metric tons of LNG, that's liquefied natural gas, from Iran. Mr. Widodo, who says 60 businessmen from the private sector are accompanying him, stated that Indonesia's state oil company will also help in developing new Iranian oil fields. Well, that's the latest.